Hey guys, Brian with the Seat Shop. Today we're talking about airbags, and this is the newest line of vehicles that we've released that we've finished our airbag testing on. This is going to be for the Jeep Grand Cherokees. Hey, but first, if this video helped you out, hook us up with a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about seat covers, how they're manufactured, stuff about airbags, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you can be some of the first people to see new content as it comes out. So there's a lot that goes into airbag testing. It's not just simply sew a cover up, wish for the best. If the airbag deploys, hopefully it deploys properly. There's a lot more testing involved with that. So we actually sew up a bunch of covers, skin some factory seats with our covers, send them off to a crash test facility, and have it tested on high-speed camera to make sure everything deploys correctly. Now, the airbag actually bursting through the seat is one thing. If the airbag bursts through the seat too fast, that's not good, and if it's not fast enough, that's just as bad as it not deploying at all. So there's a lot of data that we got to capture from deploying the airbag on a new OEM seat and then making sure that our seat covers deploy in the same time frame. We're talking about down to the millisecond in terms of how fast this thing completely deploys through the side of the seat. So there's just special ways that we have to sew this cover in regards to the seam where the airbag is. This would be the driver's side door panels over here. That's where this blows out. So this seam is completely different than all the other seams on the seat, ensuring that this deploys properly, keeping you safe in the truck.